Geithika muno mwiroreri wa kirathi gia Karo Kinyigo Mwaura ni ndakunyita ugeni thiini wa tabarira ya umuthi ngwiraga hindi ciothe unginyona hakuhi na ihua riri ni kuga umuthi turaria uhoro wa wendo. So karibu sana thiini wa episode ya kenda ya tabarira ya I Need Love. Ino ni tabarira iria tukoragwo tugicariria endwa ao kana mundu tukamucariria rubaru rwake nigetha mundu akaigua aiganiire. Haha andu matumaga request, mundu agatuma maritwa make, description ya mundu toria angienda na agatiga this is a must, namba ya thimu kana email address iria angienda gukinyirwo nayo nigetha wonda twekira request yo ha mutambo-ini mundu ucio kana andu aria mangikorwo makiririria gukorwo makiaraniria na mundu uria watuma request magakinyirana na njira yemwe kwa ĩmwe hatari kuhitukira hari nie nigetha makahota kwaraniria o wega. So karibu sana, ritwa riakwa ni Karo Kinyigo Mwaura. Twambe tucokerie ngatho kambuni ya Brico Homes tondu Brico Homes ni ihuraniire hari wendia wa migunda na ithuĩ twaragia ruga ya kuheana title, genuine title deeds. Iyo ni ruga ya Brico Homes tondu twendaga tukuige na njira iria yagiriire. Wona woka twatangatha migunda ugoka ukona tugathie wabici nigetha tukagutwara site visit, wathie site visit waiganira ukariha deposit ya mugunda, tugeka documentation, ugeka search na maundu macio mangi mothe nigetha wona warikia kuriha tugoka tugikunengera title deed yaku. Koguo ndukanaigwe wina nganja wi thiini wa Brico Homes. Twina project kundu gutiganite kuritia mwena wa Sagana, Juja, twina Matu, twina Mai Mahiu, twina Nyahururu na ningi twina migunda kuria Kitengela. Ungikorwo ukiririria kuigithia na Brico Homes kuria nginya marihi makome mabacirire no ukorwo ukiraniria na ithuĩ kuhitukira namba ya thimu 0721 077 077. Episode ya umuthi ya I Need Love tutukanitie request cia atumia na athuri, koguo ni ugikorwo ugithikiriria hihi ni ha ungikorwo ukigwira mundu. Ririkana tugire mitaratara yothe iria yagirwo kurumirirwo. Wa mbere no atuma request ugatiga ritwa riaku na ugatiga details cia mundu toria ungienda. Ningi undu uria wa bata makiria ni ugatiga namba ya thimu kana email address iria andu no magukinyire nayo tondu ndingihota kuhandle ciothe thimu-ini yakwa na nigetha ndigakorwo ngiderail maundu mwena-ini waku. Undu wa keri reke tuige itio, mundu akurega ni akurega na agwitikira ni agwitikira nigetha muthie rugendo ruru hamwe. Please let's be very honest, let's be kind na makiria let's respect each other's feelings tondu I'm sure andu magiuka hatoria tuga hindi ciothe o mundu arehetwo ni maundu make kana kugura ragurarite ngoro kana hi ni ruo ruri kwaragerera. Please ndukamuongerere ruo ruri angikwa kigerera kana mistrust iria angikora acemanitie nayo hau kabere. Reke tuingire thiini wa tabarira ya umuthi na ngwambiriria na request ya Wambui Maina. Wambui aranjira, hi Karo, I love your channel. Thank you so much Wambui, and I love what you're doing. I'm looking for love as well. My name is Wambui Maina. I'm aged 28 years old. I'm a single mother of a boy who is 7 years now. I'm currently living in Nairobi and I'm looking for a God-fearing man aged between 32 to 40 years. I'm ready for a serious relationship leading to marriage and ready to embrace and love my child. Mundu ucio akorwo no ende mwana ucio Wambui ari nake na arauga arenda mundu innovative and visionary, at the same time someone who would love family time and trips. Angĩkorwo we nĩ ũraigua twara fit description yoyo iria Wambui arenda, contact her on 0718 239 578. Nado ani mandi requestete na njira nene muno ati Karo, please tell only those who are serious. Ma ona inogo gukwira aikone ndure serious and you're not looking for love. Na beo tika gutinda ukimia SMS kana kuhura. If you're in need of someone, you're between 32 and 40 years old na no wende Wambui ogwari na mwana wake nena miaka 28 nena Nairobi umuhurire ariwe. Let's move on. Hari na Kim. Kim aranjira, hi Karo. Hi Kim. I'm Kim from Kiambu and I'm one of your fans. Thank you so much. And I normally follow your channel. I was born 59 years ago and have been lonely for 20 years. Oh, ipore Kim wito. I have dated one lady for 10 years when I was in my 20s and we separated due to our own misunderstanding and she went her way 20 years ago with 2 kids. I decided never to marry again, but when I was going through Karo Kinyigo's channel, I decided to try again. Thank you Kim. Akajira, please help me get this lady riu uria ungikorwo hihi ni agukimwenda o ugu ari o wiki. Akajira, I'm humble and I'm a true Christian. Kim is 59 years old and remember augite akoretwo lonely for 20 years na uria makiri ndugu ni athire na ciana igiri. Ungikorwo ni ukwenda kukinyira Kim Kim hari mundu particular aranjirite angienda, no mundu ucio unfortunately ni oirwo, ni anjirire na thimu ni oyo ni mundu ni aiganira. Kim riu namba ya thimu yakwa niyo tukuhuthira tondu ni ndirakwirira athuri nitame na kabia ga gutiga namba ciao cia thimu. So if you want to reach Kim no ukorwo kiaraniria nani kuhitukira namba iyo ri hau screen ni yaku kana kuhitukira email address. Twina Gladys arauga, hi, I'm Gladys Werimo, I'm 25 years old and I'm from Nyeri, I'm single and searching. Qualifications: 1, mundu ucio muthuri uria kwenda akorwo between 27 to 30 years old. Number 2, akorwo God fearing. Number 3, ready to settle. Number 4, never married before, ndakanakorwo ni ahikanitie mbere yo. Number 5, loving, patient, hardworking, etc. Kindly Carol, I am requesting na niko serious sana. Namba ya Gladys ni 0746 807 674. Thank you Gladys, warumirira mitaratara yothe wega, asante sana. Twina Rose arauga, hi Carol, I'm Rose, I'm 26 years old with 1 baby boy and I want to be among those celebrating for finding their happiness. I need a man aged 32 to 35, a caring one, respectful, humble and a loving man, and I know God will answer my prayers. Rose, asante sana. Yes, Gai ni akuigua mahoya maku na ni ugukorwo toguo uga wi umwe aria mara celebrate ko find love, and your contact is 0743 521-533. Ugenda gukorwo gikinyira Rose ni ugena miaka 26 nena kana kamwe gaka hii. Namba ciake ni cio house screen ni yaku. Make good use of these contacts. Hena mundu ugwitwo SM aranjirie ndikauga maritwa make nikio turamuhe initials icio SM ari nja wa bururi na aranjirire gitumi tarendaga uge kuria ndiraikara ni tondu geretie gwetha mundu no ngakorwo just because ndi ruraya ri ukona mundu ni aranyenda ti tondu ni arenda no arenda tondu ndi ruraya okay na oka ri hihi ri interest ngikoti ndi ri no ko tutigutwarana wega no SM arahurire thimu kuma kuwari hakuge njuge arahurire thimu kuma kuwari na aranjira please ona ndukambe kwira mundu ucio kuria ndi no ni amenye tu nie ndi murimo na ndirenda mundu very serious nturaririe gwa kahinda. Aranjira msichana should be born again, one that serves God wholeheartedly, hajawahi olewa in her life, awe aggressive kwa kazi yake ya kupata pesa na kazi ya Mungu pia, jovial, mundu utari murakari uguo, ndagakorwo na ciana. Akauga someone who can speak fluent English, can be a university graduate or as long as amemaliza form 4 and has a KCSE certificate. Akauga akoro priority yake ya mbere ni Mugikuyu, wa keri Mukirinyaga kana Muembu. Akauga that lady should be light skin, that's the priority, lakini hata akiwa chocolate ni sawa tu. Ukipata waweza nitumia jina lake na namba yake ya simu and just a brief description yake. Na ni aranjirite ati ori no kuru ari gatagate ka miaka 40 to 50. Hau niho ari akanjira ati ni akoretwo ahikania tene no kihiko giake gigikua hau ndanahitha na mutumia wake niwe wagithire na ciana. So if you want to talk to him kindly no ukorwo kiaraniria nani kuhitukira namba yako ya thimu niyo 0722919062 kana email address. Na kanjira thank you very much for responding to my call. You've been a great blessing to many including myself. May God keep you safe and your family, enlarge your territories and your ministry, and grant you all the needs according to his riches in glory. Well, thank you so much SM. Onawege ya kurathime and have a blessed 2023. Hena Stephanie arauga, hi Carol, good morning. In the morning riu o haria tungikoro turi good morning to you. I need a lady to marry. I'm Stephanie, 30 years, and I need a serious lady to start a family with. This lady should be short, plump, chocolate, 23 to 29 years old with 1 kid under 7 years. Working, because I'm also working too, and I'm in Qatar. Akiwa hapa, it is an added advantage. Agikoro nake ari Qatar. Na arauga WhatsApp number yake ni +974 30842701. Thank you so much Stephanie. Ona waiga mitaratara yothe ya gutiga namba na description ya mundu torio ngienda rathimo muno, and we wish you all the best. Hena ungi gwitwa Joyce Wambui. Joyce arauga na miaka 39 and she's a mother of one teenage boy who is in Form 1. I'm seriously looking for a serious man for marriage, aged 45 to 50 years old. I'm currently in Saudi, so I want a very transparent, trustworthy and mature man. I'm ready to settle to where he is after our courtship and agreement. I have a passion in farming, so I can also settle in Ushago. I want a man who is either widowed, legally divorced or never married for his reasons. My number is 0722713515. Wow. Joyce, thank you so much. Niwetariria wega muno na niwauga mundu bado no agukinyire na email address yaku nitukumiheana hau uguo ni joycembau@gmail.com. Niwaigua reuga ready go settle jatha ici no mungĩigua na courtship and agreement after that ready go settle, na niuga niendete muno urimi, koguo ungikorwo wi hau itikira tu gukorwo kiarania nake na tugira only serious people. Akono do serious, don't waste anybody's time. Hena Wambui oge Wambui araja, good morning Carol, I'm here again to send my request for the second time. Pole sana agikodi ameonire ria mbere. Thank you for the great work that you're doing, Asante, for connecting people who are single. My name is Wambui. I'm 30 years old, single and no kid, currently in Qatar, but in a few months I'll be back. I'm looking for love from a man aged between 30 to 37, akorwari Mugikuyu, a single man with no kids at all and a God-fearing man. A man who is very serious and ready to settle down. He can reach out to me via this number +9743152637. Wow, thank you muno Wambui, nitugukorwo tugikira request yaku na ndio tugutofautisha atia. Ucio ngi ni Joyce Wambui, uyu ungi nake ni Wambui tu. Wambui uyu niwe wi Qatar. Hena mundu twarehire request yake witagwo David. David akiuga he kanyamu twa misire gwikira gake agitu request tucokerithie na nitugukorwo tugicokerithia ugirehe details ciake tutanekira. Koguo nitugukorwo tugikira uga, hi Carol, I'm David Waweru. I've been following your YouTube channel and I really love your show. Asante sana. Akauga ati he's single and searching. He has never been married. Na ukuru wa miaka 35 and I would like to have a family. I need to have a lady between 26 to 30 years without a kid. I work here in Nairobi. You can give out this contact 0764-314-818. Eha screen ni akona akonda higishania hanini ni ukumethoma hau no korwo ukiaraniria na David. David nto kwandika details cia kwendo yangi no guthoma twacithomire tukiaga kwandika, koguo muthi ntuko tugiciandika. Mundu wa mwisho onake aretwo David. Umuthi kwena andu mahanaine maritwa biyo no ndarora details ciao ni tofauti. So now this is tukumeta David Thika. Hau uguo ni ukuona David arauga, hi Carol, I'm David, I'm still in Thika. Ni atumite request yake hau kabere no feedback yake ri ndio iratumire nyonereke tunjitikire tukumucokerithia tondu arauga, Carol, mnaongea na mtu na anakutumia picha. Riu ni feedback after tweka kibindi andu mararia nao na makamutumira mbica, but mkienda kumeet woi unapata ni mtu tofauti. Naomba tu watu wawe serious. So I'm 39 years, nataka mtu serious from 28 to 35 years old, awe na mtu mmoja ama bila. Mimi niko sawa tu. Namba ya simu ni 0789156692. Asanteni sana, mbarikiwe. Request no nyingi no ndathi na mbere gucicompile nigetha episode ege tugagikorwo na mutukano tocio wa athuri na atumia. So thank you so much. Na ungikorwo hari kaundu renda gushare na ithuĩ no ukorwo ukiandika WhatsApp 0722919062 kana undumire email address ni yakwa niyo caroline.kinyugo@gmail.com. Araita na thoma request cia new muthenya wa muthi, please ndukarakare na ndukaigue twaratuika ignore hi ni koragwo ci nyingi na gucicompile no kawira na tondu no ungikoragwo na segment ingi iria ngoragwo ngifuatirira feedback na ngakorwo ngirumirira nigetha ngurehere tabarira itukanite tondu kuri na how we met iria cia couples ria macemanagia hari neno I need love, ningi hari ona kirathi kiria turehaga hindi ciothe twina ndagitari na ningi ni tukoragwo na segment ĩrĩa ĩtagwo This is me ĩrĩa turehaga ng'ano cia andu. So remember to subscribe, hau hena kabaton gatune kaguthe nigetha ukorwo hindi ciothe ri ukimenya kiria turarehe. No ukorwo kihutia kengere kario hau nigetha wona twaikia video itana premiere we ugakorwo na notification yo. So thank you so much. Ritwa riakwa ni Karo Kinyugo Mwaura. Ririkana twina migunda mithaka muno kuria mwena wa Matu. Kuma Thika town barabara iyo ya Garissa ĩrĩa riu yakĩtwo muno nĩ thirikari na nĩ njega muno nĩ nyue nĩ ndagĩka 45 kuma Thika town. Na kuma hau Matu it's only 1.4 kilometers nigetha guingira mugunda-inĩ witũ. Kundu kwega, barabara njega, tĩri ũrĩa mũtune nĩ ũcio nginya ngari ndĩhataga, kundu nginya ngirima, kundu kwega muno. Migunda ĩyo tũrendia na thogora wa 330,000 Kenya shillings. Na tũratwara andu site visit on the 4th of March. Tugathiĩ tũrĩa ingĩ tuthiĩ tuona migunda ĩyo, na thogora ũcio nĩ inclusive of title deed fee. Koguo ri ndugetigire gukorwo ũkĩinvest. Reke ihinda rĩtikanahĩtũke uge kwendagio ũguo, na hĩndĩ ĩyo ri gwakorwo gũkĩendio hihi mirioni. Ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ kũrendio 330,000. Please let's invest together. Na ũririkane nĩ tũkũhea kahinda ka mĩeri 6 nigetha ũhote gũkorwo ũgĩclear angĩkorwo ndũrĩ na kĩmanjĩka kĩu gĩa ciringi 330,000. God bless you. Ũrorĩma gũkumia, tũcemanie thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ĩngĩ. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.